heart bookmark, we need 5-ply yarn. You can choose any color of your choice, and 3 mm hook and a scissor. So let's start. Make a slip knot. For making a slip knot, you have to twist the hook around the yarn, hold it from here, yarn over, pull through the chain. Or if you are a beginner, you can roll it across 2 fingers like this, remove it from the fingers and pull this up with your finger or with the hook. So this is the starting chain. Put the hook inside and pull the long end. You have to hold it like this or like this. I prefer holding the yarn twisted around my finger once, index finger, and I'm holding the loose end, this end, with my middle finger and my thumb. So this was slip knot, chain 1. Again I will show you how to make chain 1. Yarn over, pull through this chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain. Yarn over, pull through the chain. So I have 4 chains. After that I will make a slip stitch into the first chain. You just have to go inside the first chain, yarn over, bring up the yarn, okay, pull through this last chain. So a slip stitch from the 4th chain into the first chain. Now chain 1. This is the magic ring that we will be working inside. So now my magic ring is ready. I will be working into this hole over here in the middle. And just don't cut this loose end. We will be needing this to pull and close the heart in the end. Now go inside this, insert the hook inside the middle of the ring, yarn over, bring up the yarn, 1 single crochet. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, pull through the 2 chains. Now yarn over, we will make 1 double crochet. Go inside the hole, yarn over, bring up the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3. So we will go through first 2, yarn over, pull through first 2. We have 2 loops now, yarn over, pull through both. So this was 1 double crochet. Now yarn over the hook twice and make 3 triple crochet. So first triple crochet I'm making, insert the hook, yarn over, bring up the yarn. We have 4 loops on the hook. We will pull through 2 at a time. So first yarn over, pull through 2. We have 3 loops left, yarn over, pull through 2. Now final 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So this was 1 triple crochet. So I did 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 triple crochet. Now 2 more triple crochet. So total we will make 3 triple crochets. Pull through 2, pull through 2 and the last 2. 1 more triple crochet, yarn over twice, go inside the magic ring. Now 3 double crochets. Pull through 2 loops, pull through the next 2 loops. Second double crochet and third double crochet. Yarn over twice, I will make 1 triple crochet. So this is the lower part of the heart and we are done with half of it. We will repeat this on the other side now. 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. You can push the stitches over here, push them back so you will have more space to work. Now 3 triple crochet, 1, 2, and last one 3. Now 1 double crochet and final single crochet. Now just make a slip stitch into the middle of this, into the middle part. Slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Pull tight. Now you can see there's a hole over here, so you need to close this magic ring. To close the magic ring, you have to take this end and pull it tight. Now again turn around and tie these both ends together. Tie it a few times, 2 or 3 times maximum. Now just cut it from the end. Our mini heart is ready. Now we will make the chain to use it as a bookmark. So locate the triple crochet that we did on the lower part of the heart. So this is it, this one. Insert the hook, take the yarn, pull up the yarn, okay, and tie a knot over here. Okay, now it's secure. Again, insert the hook into the same chain, pull up the yarn and chain. Start making chain. The number of chain depends on the size of your book. I am making 50 chains. I am done with making the chains. Now just cut the yarn and make this tight. If you want, you can secure this end into the chain or just cut it over here. Same goes for this. You can secure it or just cut it right away. So a simple and easy bookmark is ready. It was a very quick project. You can just make it in less than 10 minutes. Do try it and let me know in the comment section how was the tutorial and give me your feedback. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.